afternoon. My name is Stone Atwine, and together with my team we are building Africa's first neobank. I would like to start with the story of this lady, Margaret. She's my grandma, and I lived in Nairobi for very many years, worked in Kenya, but I originally come from Uganda, and sending her money was a nightmare, just next door, countries next to each other. The process is quite long. I will just break it down and say the worst part was that she had to get on a bus every time I sent her money for 1 hour to find a Western Union or MoneyGram agent and cash out. It was painful and definitely not safe for her to carry money on the bus. So this was not something that was a good idea. We did some more research in it and we found that financial services in Africa is a broken thing. 66% of the people do not have access to a bank account. Money transfer costs up to 21%, like from South Africa to Botswana. Insurance access is around 2% and access to credit is 7%. So what we did was we said we're not going to solve only the problem of money transfer. I resigned my job and we started building this, where we provide multiple financial services. We provide loans, money transfer, especially cross-border money transfer, access to savings and insurance. It's a massive, massive project. Then we also looked at more numbers. 65% of people in Africa do not have access to the internet or a smartphone. So we built this so that people like my grandma can get access. This is USSD, where you can access financial services and Eversend offline. The market is massive. We're just looking at Uganda, Kenya, and Ghana, and we're looking at about 6 billion just in the services we're looking at. We're already live in these countries, and we're looking to go to other countries as well. So our plan is simple. We start with money transfers, cross-border money transfers, because it's a deep, deep problem. And then we move into other financial services, and we use referrals and word of mouth to eventually scale up in terms of numbers. The competition is interesting. Many people usually ask us about TransferWise and WorldRemit and all these guys within the money transfer sector. The truth is that they don't look at Africa as a sending country. It's only a recipient destination, and therefore they're not really competition. Others are startups like us. The real competition is this, people who are putting people in queues like this, my grandma in that queue. So that's the real competition that we have. Our business model is very simple. We get commission from our partners. In this case, you might ask what? Within the app, we also have bill payments. So my grandma can buy airtime, she can pay electricity, she can pay water, and when that happens, we get a commission back. Also, commission from foreign exchange when money moves across borders, and interest income when we lend. This is what we've done in the last 11 months. We've done $1.4 million US from the corridor of Uganda to Kenya. Our net revenue is about 42,000. That's charging about 3% in foreign exchange. And we have 35,000 registered users, growing at 30% month on month. I come from financial technology. My previous company, which I exited, was a microfinance company based on USSD and mobile money. Emma has built a microfinance company in Togo. Ronald is a fantastic engineer, and together with Kylie, who is behind there, we have a team of 8 people across 3 locations, Paris, Uganda, and India. These are some of our partners. Quickly, I want to talk about M-Pesa. Many people ask us if they are competition. Well, they are a partner.